In this video, we will tell you about the Samsung Galaxy M42. Samsung Galaxy M42 will be the first 5G phone in the M series. Samsung Galaxy M42 is the next mid-range phone from Samsung slated for release on April 28. The Samsung Galaxy M series has had some of Samsung's best budget and mid-range devices in the past couple of years. Soon, the Galaxy M42 will also follow in the same footsteps as the Galaxy M51. Regardless of the nomenclature, in a way we expect the Galaxy M42 to be the successor to the Galaxy M51 from September 2020. In terms of specs, the company has already confirmed the device will rock the Qualcomm chipset. The star of the show will be the Snapdragon 750G processor, which is built on an 8nm fabrication. It is an octa-core chipset with a clock speed of up to 2.2 GHz. This is also a 5G enabled processor with Qualcomm X52 5G modem, while Adreno 619 GPU takes care of graphics. The same chipset can be found on the Xiaomi Mi 10i and Moto G5G. Samsung has also confirmed that the device will be available in two configurations, 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM. In terms of storage, while there is no confirmation, we can expect 128GB of internal storage on both the variants, going by the previous track record. The device is also expected to pack in a dedicated micro SD card slot. Furthermore, the Samsung Galaxy M42 will also come with some first-party security features like Knox, Secure Folder, Alt-Z with quick switch and content suggestions. These features were initially limited to some Galaxy A series phones. The Secure Folder is a private mode that can be activated by double-clicking on the power key, while the Alt-Z offers two features, quick switch and content suggestions. The device is also said to come with the Samsung Pay. However, there is no clarity over if this feature will work over NFC or MST as of now. In terms of design, the back of the Galaxy M42 looks quite similar to the Galaxy F62 with a square camera module. However, on the front, Samsung has gone back and incorporated a dewdrop notch instead of a punch hole cutout. Here is what the leaks and rumors point towards. The Galaxy M42 is said to come with a 64-megapixel quad-core camera setup and a massive 6000 mAh battery, which seems like a drop from the 7000 mAh battery on the Galaxy M51. Other features expected include a full HD Plus display, 3.5mm headphone jack, dual SIM connectivity, One UI 3.1 based on Android 11, and fast charging. With phones starting from low price having high refresh rate screens in 2021, we would like to see Samsung incorporate the same in the mid-range series with the Galaxy M42. So it is the end of today's video. For further details and price of this phone, check out the links below in description and comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video.